Hi folks, so I'm Stephen.
I'm Simon.
And what we're going to show you today is how to join a TeamWorks whiteboard with a TeamWorks contributor app. So what we've done is we walked into a room where there's a TeamWorks whiteboard up and running, and we have a contributor app here. In this case, it's an iOS. You have a Windows 10 and Android apps are also available. What we can do is just immediately choose, I want to scan a QR code, walk up to the board. So then the TeamWorks contributor app has joined the whiteboard. Immediately, what we're able to do is I can start interacting with the whiteboard, and Simon can start dragging on content, and we're both contributing at the same time, and having the ability to either mark up or interact with and move all these various objects around. So it's pretty simple. I just wanted to show you how easy it would be. At the very end, whenever it is that we're done and I want to walk away from it, I have that opportunity to create a recap and then save a recap from that meeting to my device.